What's up, guys? Today going over bamboo goo cotton swabs, the eco-friendly alternative to other cleaning swabs. So why these are better is because they are made of bamboo. Bamboo is a sustainable resource. It is eco-friendly, it's 100% biodegradable, and we have organic cotton on top. So these are more eco-friendly and they're more sturdy. So I'll give you an example of that right now. So here we have a fat ass glass cup with just water in it, and you have your standard paper cotton swab. You know, some people use these to clean. They're great for cleaning bangers or slides or anything, but as you can see, when these get any type of moisture, whether it's alcohol, water, anything, they just bend and break. So that's not what you want. Wow, the bamboo goo cotton swab, as you can see, doesn't break, so it can really get into tough to reach areas. So these are awesome for that reason. So they're great for cleaning rigs, bangers, anything like that. Also great for cleaning bong slides. So you can just take the tip and just clean it out just like that. So multi-use, they work in combination good with any type of cleaning solution, formula, 420, 710, alcohol, really whatever you use. So we got a home-blown glass cotton swab holder here with the alcohol stopper. So this is intended to put alcohol in. We got the sake rig. These are awesome. But price-wise, so for a 100-pack of bamboo goo swabs, they are $3.99. So that means it's 4 cents a swab, 2 cents each side. So they're cheap, they're eco-friendly, and they work great. So try them out, guys. Great way to clean your rig or whatever you want to clean. Cheers.